Hi, this is Kush Mehta. I qualified as a chartered accountant in July 2021 attempt. I have done my articleship from Badesh Associates Ahmedabad, and I currently work as an equity research analyst at ICICI Securities, Mumbai. So, as an equity research analyst, what we do is we cater to the retail investors and give them investment advice as to which stocks to buy, which stocks to sell, and at what target price. So, as an analyst, what you will be expecting to do is that first of all, you will be assigned an industry, maybe automobile, IT, pharma, and under that industry, there will be some stocks that you will be tracking. What you need to do is that you need to understand the business of those companies, you know, to understand the industry in general, and make financial models of those companies, and thereby arrive at a target price for your retail investors. So a lot of thought process goes while arriving at that target price, like how the company's business look like, what we expect it to be in near future, what the guidance management gives us after during the earnings call. So based on all the research and understanding that we have on that company, we arrive at a target price and which we give to our retail investors. So this was all about the job profile. If I talk about how I got the job, then I got this job out of ICICI campus placement. There was just one interview, which was a technical interview. So the interview revolved mostly around the basics of SFM. They also asked a lot of things about the stock markets regarding whether I was tracking any stocks or not, and asked a couple of questions based on that. Like if I was just to give an example, I tracked a particular stock. They asked me what is PE ratio, what the business of the company is, what are the business segments within that company, which products they deal in, and they basically wanted to get out of me was that what thought process I had while making the decision that I want to invest in that company. So basically, this was on the interview, and they also asked a lot of current affair questions, which generally you are supposed to know if you want being a market side role. So this was all about the job and the interview. Uh, One piece of advice that I want to give if anyone want to pursue this as a career is that start tracking the markets. It's very important for you to understand how the markets are, going. Keep an eye on the market, not necessarily invest in it or trade in it, but being CA students, we have an understanding of the financial aspect of the companies. So it's important for us to keep an eye on the market and get an idea of how you need to have the thought process while making an investment decision that why I want to invest in that stock. And based on your practice, once you start investing in it, you will have a rough idea like, okay, these are the things I need to consider before making an investment. I didn't consider this in my last time, but I need to consider this now. Whether my projections have been right or not. If I expect a stock to be up, then I should be having a justification. Whether that justification prevails or not, that is a story that you need to figure out. That, okay, it didn't work next time. What mistakes I made, and what I need to make sure that these mistakes I don't make while making the next investment decision. So this would really help you in understanding the markets, understanding the company's business, how to read company's financial statements, what things are important while reading the financial statements for you as an investor. And yeah, that's all. Why I pursued as a career was simply because I was really interested in the markets. I wanted to understand how the company's financial models are prepared, how the company's businesses are being evaluated, and the revenue being forecasted. And when the discussion happens within your team, like you come up with this as a target price, someone has to give their input. There's a lot of learning happens there. The thought process that each and every person in the room has um, teaches you a lot. So I think this was the biggest takeaway for me as an individual from this profile. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.